We're in a little training session this afternoon. Show you. It's not too shabby, you know what you're getting there. So now, this inside one here, I'll touch that, I'll cock, and then that one over there. But I think let's move this across. Let's get that thing on over there somewhere. Alright. Hey? Yeah. Go for it. So Ewan's attempting old school with the helmet, the flip helmet, rather than the new helmet with the instant, what do you call it, dark. And let me have a look. Yeah, that's alright. Shy that thing, let's see. He's getting there. Slowly, slowly catch a monkey. Go boy.